To fix this error, cannot retrieve post at this time. Please try again later on X application. First, you need to make sure your Wi-Fi or internet is working properly. So, if your internet or Wi-Fi is not working properly, that was the reason you are getting this error. So, first make sure your Wi-Fi or internet is working properly. To check, you can use any application like YouTube or any browser. Use your internet and check your internet working properly or not. If the problem is not related to Wi-Fi or then simply follow these steps. First, long press on your X application, tap on this icon, this I button, then click on force stop, click on OK, then click on storage, then click on clear cache. If you remember your X application password, then click on clear data. If you do not remember the password, then do not click on clear data. Just go back, click on permissions, enable all necessary permissions, and make sure this is toggle off. If this is toggle on, then only you get the error. Pause app activity if unused. That means it will pause app activity whenever you just close Twitter app or X app and use another app, then it will pause app activity. It will not use data or internet Wi-Fi. So that sometime that was the reason you are getting the error. So make sure this is toggle off. Now go back. If you are using mobile data, then click on mobile data and make sure these two are enabled. Allow background data usage and allow data usage while data saver is on. So after doing all this, your problem is still not solved, then simply restart your device. Whatever device you are using, just simply restart it. Hope your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.